In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a clickable Gmail signature in Canva for social media links. It's free. We'll start in Canva. Log in or create a free account, then use the search bar to find email signature templates. Open a design you like and set the size so it fits neatly in Gmail. Click Resize, choose Custom Size, and enter 400 by 150 pixels. Now customize the template. Replace the placeholder text with your details, upload a professional headshot, and adjust the colors to match your brand. You can add or refine details like your email, website, phone, and address. If you don't have your images handy, upload from your computer or pull icons and shapes from Canva's elements to keep everything consistent. When your main signature looks right, click Share, then Download, and choose PNG. Save it to your computer. Next, create small social icons you'll make clickable in Gmail. Add a new page, resize it to 50 by 50 pixels, and in Elements, search for the platform icons you want. Place one icon per page, nudge their size so they're centered and crisp, and repeat for each platform. Feel free to add simple accents if they suit your style. Click Share, then Download again. You can export all pages at once or choose specific pages. They'll save to your computer. Click Done when finished. Head to Gmail. Click the Settings gear, choose See All Settings, and scroll to the Signature section. Create a new signature, give it a clear name, and create it. In the editor box, click Insert Image and add the Canva signature you saved, either from Google Drive or by uploading from your computer with Browse. If Gmail asks for permission, click Allow. Once the image appears, press Enter to add a little spacing below. Now insert your social icons one by one. Use Insert Image again, pick Drive or Upload, and place each icon in the editor. After each icon lands, click it and use the Link tool to paste the correct social URL, then click Apply. Repeat this process for all your icons, adding space as needed to keep things tidy. When you're done, scroll further down and use the drop-downs to set your new signature for new emails and, if you like, for replies and forwards. Click Save Changes. Back in your inbox, click Compose to test. Your signature should load automatically. Click each icon to confirm the links open correctly. And that's how you create a clean, clickable Gmail signature with social links using Canva, totally free.